Good morning to everybody. This is our weekend update for the 9th of November. Please share this video to the whole community. Today we have amazing news for everybody and some knowledge, very important to understand where we're standing these days. First, before everything, I will start with caregiver section. Caregiver section, my dear, you have amazing chance. Only for the last 1.5 months, we got hundreds of special visa because the immigration understand the problematic of caregiver section in Israel and so many workers missing. Which means that if you come to Israel as a caregiver, and we're telling you time after time, do not hesitate. Tell and find balabait, any age, any process. Tell them to call us. Of course, there is a good chance for people that applied for a special visa if they are 5 years, 3 months to 8 years with anybody. But if they are more than 8 years to 13 years, it's better with a handicap. But we see, because of the new law that came on the 9th of July, the immigration understand the problematic. We know from our office that now the immigration look on the special visa process in a different way, which means that even if you think that you don't have a chance, tell the families to speak to us. We will tell them exactly what is the good documents, what is the good evidence to show that maybe maximize for you the chance to get special visa. And not only from the past, only in the future. We're telling you the only way in the future to get special visa is to start doing process now, even that you know and you think that you don't have chance. Because if in the future the law will change again, and we believe it will happen, you will be inside the train. We see, unfortunately, people that come to us 2 years ago or 1 year ago, and they knew that they don't have a chance, but they didn't do the process, although we told them to do the process. And now when we wanted to put them under the new law, they got rejected because they didn't have the proof that they were in a process before. And then it's difficult to prove that this worker and employer and employee are really had a connection in this period of time in the past. Which means that when you have a family, you came to Israel as a caregiver, find it, let's do it. This is your time, this is your chance. A lot of caregivers missing, we know that, and because of the war, it's gonna open for you major gate. Also, I want to make some order about the agriculture people. It's true that the government of Israel published about agriculture work now in Gaza Strip, to go and work and help to the farmers. But it's only temporary and it's only for certain amount of people. So if you're not really into it, it doesn't matter that you're going to your embassy, I'm speaking about the people from Sri Lanka, Nepal, India, Africa, to register yourself, because even if you get B1, it's only for temporary time. And it's only if you really work as a caregiver, as a agriculture in those areas. So it's not all the time the best. Also, I'm so happy that people that listening to our Facebook understand that to be in a process, that's the main thing. And we see time after time when people doing process, even if they get rejected after, and they continue with another process because they still have a problem in their country, or they still have a humanitarian problem, or they still want to try with another family to do special visa, the government look on them on a good way, on a different way. Unlike people that suddenly got rejected on, I don't know, any application that they do, and they continue to stay without protection. It's a problem. Our office and our clients do not do that. And we are trying to help you time after time. We, as a law firm, changed the law for you on a special visa process many times. We as a law firm gave you the ability to apply first, second and third and fourth time refugee if you have new problem with new documents. We as a law firm open for you the gate to try to apply for under humanitarian process. Some people telling me, I have a protection letter from this, on this, for 1 year, for 6 months. My dear, nobody can give you protection letter from a lawyer or from any company around the bus station, whatever, for 6 months or for 1 year. It's not working. Lawyer can give you protection for 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, up until is being invited, or you're doing the process, or you're waiting for documents to do the process. Because officially, what's giving you the protection, it's government letter, either refugee, under the receipt that you're getting from the humanitarian application when you apply humanitarian application, or under the paper that we're applying for special visa, the fact that we have a proof that we're applying for special visa. And this is what we mean when you're doing that direct from a lawyer. Also, about the refugee application, every day people coming to me with cases that they apply before for refugee, now they get rejected, and there is nothing we can help them, because the application, what they said, it's totally nonsense, and they didn't understand. They say to me, sir, I still have a problem in my country, I don't know who wrote it to me, these things. And this is wrong, because even when we apply for refugee, you need to do it direct from a lawyer. And why? Because first, power of attorney. The power of attorney in front of the authorities look on you on a different way. They know that a lot of dealers around the area, and they sometimes they think and they know that you are wrong application and you're not applied on the right way. And when you apply in the right way, you have maximum chance to get time in Israel and to get protect in Israel. And even if you get rejected, we have a major success or major chance to succeed in the court, or to do another application, or to do another evidence, or to do another process to help you to stay in Israel. We, as a law firm, also open for you the gate to convert. Some people here 5, 6, 7, 10 years, 15 years, legally, they said, I love Israel, I love the Judaism, I want to convert. We open for you gate. If it's really from your heart, we as a law firm open for you a major gate from the High Court of Jerusalem. And if you really want to, it's coming from your heart, call us. We will tell you exactly what is the process, what is the condition. Also, and this is what I want to tell you, when you are united as a foreigners and you know, or some people don't know their rights, but you're listening to a lawyer, you're listening to and you follow after our Facebook, I will tell you a small story. Only for the last couple of months, group of people from Nigeria come to us after they lost their visa of the refugee, and the Balabai don't want to give them money. They said, because you lost your visa, we don't want to give you a benefit. Of course, he can say that only to people that don't know the law. But we got into the picture, and thank God only yesterday we agreed with their lawyer, with his lawyer, that what he was doing, it was wrong. And everybody gonna get all their benefits. Because we explained to them that even if you work without a visa, even if you're working as a caregiver on the process without still getting the B1 visa, you deserve for all your benefits. In a restaurant, in a shopping center, in a cleaning, in a caregiver, you deserve for all your benefits. That's why do not hesitate, call us. We will help you to as much as we can according to the law, how to fix your visa in Israel. And the most important, do not stay without any process. Sometimes people misleading you to do wrong process, what is not good for you for the same moment. Share this video. I'm going to speak a bit in English for the Israeli employer. צהריים טובים, שמי עורך דין יוסי כרמלי, זה הסרטון השבועי שלנו. חשוב מאוד שאני רוצה להסביר לכם מספר דברים לגבי התהליך של העסקת עובד זר בענף הסיעוד בכמה מילים. חשוב מאוד לעשות את הבקשה לספיישל ויזה. מה זה ספיישל ויזה? ספיישל ויזה זה כל עובד שנמצא בישראל מעל 5 שנים ו3 חודשים עד 13 שנים. כאשר לא בכדי אתם רוצים את אותו עובד, כי כנראה הוא עושה טוב ליקר או ליקרים שלכם. כי דרך המלך כמובן זה למצוא עובד בישראל שנמצא עד 5 שנים ו3 חודשים דרך כל תאגיד. הוא יכול לבוא ולהביא לכם עובד זר או מחול, או עובד זר שקיים בישראל כחוק. עצם זה שאתם רוצים את העובד שנמצא מעל 5 שנים ו3 חודשים, זאת אומרת שיש את הערך המוסף. חשוב מאוד, מאוד חשוב, ואנחנו מסבירים את זה בכל הסרטונים שלנו, לעשות את הבקשה לוויזה מיוחדת על ידי עורך דין מדופלם, שמתעסק רק בעניינים של עובדים זרים בענף הסיעוד במיוחד. ולמה? כי קודם כל אתם תדעו מה הסיכויים, אתם תדעו מה והדרך למקסם את הסיכוי לקבל ספיישל ויזה עם אותו עובד, ומעבר לכך, אתם צריכים להבין שלפעמים ישנם הרבה מאוד דילרים שפשוט אתם מתקשרים אליהם והם לא עורכי דין בכלל. ואז זה יכול לגרום נזק גם בפנייה אל הרשות עצמו לאשר את אותו עובד שאתם רוצים, וגם לכאורה, גם אם וכאשר תקבלו דחייה, כאשר אנחנו רוצים להעלות את התיק לערכאה שיפוטית, מסתכלים על זה בצורה אחרת. ולכן, אם יש לכם עובד זר שאתם רוצים שהוא נמצא בישראל מעל 5 שנים ו3 חודשים, דברו איתנו, אנחנו נמקסם את הסיכוי לאשר את הבקשה הזו. כיום בימים אלה, גם לאור הקורונה שהייתה וגם לאור המצב המלחמתי, הסיכויים קיימים והסיכויים גבוהים. דברו איתנו בשביל למקסם את העניין, וגם בשביל שתדעו את כל הזכויות הסוציאליות שעליכם לשלם בכל ענף, אם זה בסיעוד, אם זה בניקיון, אם זה במסעדנות וכו'. שיהיה לכם סוף שבוע נעים, שתפו את הוידאו הזה.